You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.